Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to share my initial views with you guys about the all-new Samsung Galaxy S10. Samsung has recently launched their all-new lineup of Samsung Galaxy phones including Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10 Plus 5G variant, S10e and the Samsung Galaxy Fold. The foldable smartphone has not captured much of the attention mainly due to its price point as well as the point that the market is not yet ready for the folding smartphone. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So when you hold this device, first of all you are going to notice its display. It has Super Amoled display along with the Samsung all-new punch hole design. The display is super vibrant and accurate in terms of color accuracy as well as the sharpness. You will get enough vibrant display in a highlight environment, specifically when you go outside in the daytime. The display covers most of the front part of the phone along with very less space occupied by the chin. Although I wanted chin to be much smaller than this, but maybe they had to include it in order to create an extra space for something else. On the default wallpaper, the punch hole cannot be seen with clear notice, but when you get into the white background you can clearly notice it. But I think this is a better option than a notch, which has been adopted by many companies in their smartphones like Google, Huawei and Apple. I am glad that Samsung has not adopted this design for any of their devices. Now coming to the camera quality. The front camera has a dual 10 megapixel sensor which can take photos from wide angle as well. That is a plus point for this phone so that you don't have to go further deep in order to capture more of the area. On the back there are 3 cameras. This time there is a wide angle picture taking mode as well, where you can take the pictures from wide angle to cover most of the object without going any further deep. In terms of software, it comes with Samsung One UI known as Samsung One User Interface along with the Android Pie 9.0. Icons on this device are somewhat larger than the previous devices, which makes it a little bit different than the previous versions of Galaxy phones, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. On the side there is a Bixby button which was previously included with the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9, but this time Samsung have said that there will be a customizable option for the Bixby button in the near future, which can be exchanged with any of the feature you love, like tapping Bixby button to launch the camera app or something else. Battery capacity of this phone is 4100 mAh along with the feature of reverse wireless charging which was previously introduced by Huawei. Yes, the battery is good, but what you can expect from a new device. As the time passes, the remaining cycles of the battery get decreased and then the real performance of battery comes to the stage. So I'm going to make a video on the battery drainage as well. So make sure to subscribe the channel and switch on the notifications so whenever I upload a video you get notified. So guys, that was the review for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. More you can tell me that are you going to buy this phone or wait for something else to come. That's all from my side. See you in the next video. Goodbye.